Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to find the solutions of this one. So we need to use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2s. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 go in here. So this one we have u equals to number 4. When s equals to number 2, so we put number 2 go in here. So we have 4 plus 4, we have number 8. So number 0 we change for number 4. Number 8, number 2 we change for number 8. This one we change for u. The s we change for this one. So the integration of this one we have like this, and we put the bounds from number 4 to number 8. So for this one, we can put 8 divided by number 4. And that is about number 2. Because we have the formula in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.